Crypto for beginners: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Shiba Inu explained plus 2025 price predictions. Are you ready to unlock the mysteries of cryptocurrency? Wondering how Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and even Shiba Inu work, and where they're headed by 2025? This is your ultimate guide to understanding crypto, how to buy it, and what makes these coins so exciting. Let's dive in. Cryptocurrency is digital money secured by blockchain technology, a system that tracks and verifies transactions on a public ledger. Unlike traditional money, crypto isn't controlled by banks or governments. It's decentralized, fast, and borderless, designed for the digital age. But what's the big deal? The magic lies in its technology and real-world applications. Let's break it down. When you send cryptocurrency, your transaction gets verified by a network of computers called nodes. These nodes solve complex math problems to ensure the transaction is legitimate. Once verified, it's added to the blockchain, a transparent and unchangeable ledger. For some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, new coins are created through mining, where powerful computers solve those equations. Others, like Ethereum 2.0, use proof of stake, where users lock up their coins to secure the network and earn rewards. Buying crypto is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose a crypto exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken let you trade crypto for fiat currency. Next, create an account. Verify your identity. It's usually quick and easy. Then deposit funds. Add money to your account using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. After that, pick your crypto. Choose coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or even Shiba Inu. Finally, make the purchase. Click buy, and boom, you're a crypto investor. Before you dive in, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: decentralized, no government or bank control. Borderless transactions, send money globally in seconds. Potential for high returns, some coins have skyrocketed in value. Cons: volatility. Prices can soar or crash overnight. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. Security risks. Hackers target wallets and exchanges, so stay vigilant. Tip: use hardware wallets for extra security. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is like digital gold. Created in 2009, it's capped at 21 million coins, making it scarce and a hedge against inflation. By 2025, analysts predict Bitcoin could hit $120,000 or more as adoption grows among institutions and retail investors. Ethereum isn't just a currency, it's a platform for building decentralized applications using smart contracts. It powers everything from NFTs to DeFi projects. With Ethereum 2.0 fully implemented, its energy efficiency and scalability will likely push its price to $10,000 by 2025, according to experts. XRP was designed to revolutionize global payments. Its speed and low transaction fees make it ideal for cross-border transfers. As Ripple's legal battles with the SEC wind down, XRP's price is projected to soar, potentially hitting $5 to $10 by 2025. Shiba Inu started as a meme coin, but has grown into an ecosystem with decentralized exchanges and staking options. While riskier than Bitcoin or Ethereum, its community-driven nature could push its price to $0.00005 by 2025, especially if it integrates more real-world use cases. Here are the predictions for 2025 based on current trends and expert analyses. Bitcoin, BTC, $100,000 to $120,000, Ethereum, ETH, $8,000 to $10,000, XRP, $5 to $10, Shiba Inu, SHIB, $0.00005. Disclaimer: crypto investments are speculative. Always do your research. Cryptocurrency is reshaping the future of money, but remember, invest wisely and only what you can afford to lose. Which coin do you believe in for 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Let's make your money move smarter together. See you in the next video, where we decode the next big trend in crypto.